Good morning, students. Today onwards, I will be teaching you English literature for class 2. I hope you are staying at home, not going anywhere. First of all, I welcome you to class 2. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter 1 of English literature. The name of the chapter is Too Big, Too Small. First of all, let me explain you the meaning of too big and too small. Too big means higher than needed for something. Too small means smaller than needed for something. As you can see the picture of these big flowers, they are big in size, and let me show the small flowers. Now you can see these small flowers. They are small in size. Let me tell you about the story. This story tells about the mother and the daughter. So let's start reading the chapter. Chapter 1, Too Big, Too Small. Students, you repeat after me in your mind. I can't lift you up, Sanu, says Ammi. You are too big. You can't walk to school alone, Sanu, says Abu. You are too small. You can't sleep in the baby's cot, Sanu, says Dadu. You are too big. You can't carry the baby to the park, Sanu, says Dadi. You are too small. Sanu is puzzled. Too big, too small. How can she be both? I can't lift you up, Sanu, says Ammi. You are too big. Here, Ammi is saying to Sanu, I can't lift you up in my arms because you are too big. That means she is not able to carry Sanu in her arms because she is very big. It means अम्मी सानू को गोदी में अपने नहीं उठा पा रही है क्योंकि सानू बहुत बड़ी है. Students, did you understand these lines? Now, you can't walk to school alone, Sanu, says Abu. You are too small. Now, what Abu is saying in this line? Abu is saying, Sanu, you cannot walk to school alone because you are too small. And small kids don't go to school alone. Do you go to school alone, students? No. It means Abu is saying, Sanu, आप कितने छोटे हो, अब तुम स्कूल अकेले नहीं जाओगे. You can't sleep in the baby's cot, Sanu says. De Dadu, you are too big. Now, in these lines, what is baby's cot? Have you all seen baby's cot? It is also called in Hindi palna, where baby sleeps when they are small. You are at your homes right now. You ask your mother, have you ever slept in baby's cot? She must have said, yes, you sleep in that baby's cot now. No, because you are too big. Something Dadu is saying to Sanu that you can't sleep in the baby's cot because you are too big. अब बेबी के बालन में नहीं सो सकते हैं क्योंकि अब बहुत बड़े हैं. Now You can't carry the baby to the park, Sanu, says Dadi. You are too small. Dadi is saying to Sanu, Tum bahut chote ho. Sanu is puzzled. Too big, too small. How can she be both? What we read here, Sanu is confused. Sometimes she hears too big, sometimes she hears too small. Here, Ammi and Dadu are saying, Sanu, you are too big, but at the same time, Abu and Dadi are saying, you are too small. What's happening here? Here, Sanu is getting puzzled. Puzzled means confused. So, now by listening them, Sanu is puzzled. We can say that Sanu is confused. Sanu बहुत परेशान हो रही है. She is not able to understand that she is small or she is big. She is small for few things which she has already learned. At the same time, she is small for few things which still she is learning. She will learn it in future. Students, now your homework will be learn new words. Ammi means mother. Ammi matlab माँ है. Too big means higher than needed for something. Too big मतलब सबसे बड़ा है. Abu means father मतलब पापा है. Too small means smaller than needed for something. इसका मतलब सबसे छोटा है. दादू means grandfather मतलब दादाजी. दादी means grandmother मतलब दादी जी. Puzzled means not sure about what is right and what is not. Okay, children, remaining chapter we will see in the second video.